Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Our today's lesson is superlative degree. इससे पहले हम लोग we have already learned the use of positive degree and the comparative degree. Our today's lesson is superlative degree. Let's start. Look at the blackboard. Look at the board. Following are the numbers given below: 0, 2, 5, 7, 9. These 5 numbers are given here. Now, I am going to ask the question, and you have to answer. First question is, which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? The second question is, which is the smallest number? I think you have guessed the right answer. So in the given numbers, in the given 5 numbers, obviously 9 is the greatest number and 0 is the smallest number. अब यहाँ पर देखिए क्या हो रहा है. यहाँ पर 0, 2, 5, 7, 9. Here are 5 numbers. ठीक है. इन 5 numbers में 9 जो है सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है. अब यहाँ पर वर्ड क्या यूज हुआ है? ग्रेटेस्ट. ठीक है. Now greatest is the superlative degree of adjective great. Great is positive degree, greater is comparative degree, and greatest is the superlative degree. And the superlative degree is always made by adding est to the positive degree of adjective. So greatest. Now अब यहाँ पर देखिए ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है 9 जो है ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है. तो ये 5 नंबर्स में 9 जो है ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है. ठीक है. Similarly 0 is the smallest number or the smallest number is 0. अब smallest is the superlative degree of adjective small. Small positive degree, smaller comparative degree, and smallest superlative degree. Here also smallest is made by adding est to adjective small. So 0 is the smallest number. अब यहाँ पर देखिए हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि 2 से ज़्यादा यहाँ नंबर्स दिया गया है. हम इससे पहले बता चुके हैं कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में क्या होता है. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में वी मेक ए कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 2 थिंग्स और 2 पर्सन्स. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में हम 2 पर्सन या 2 चीज़ों के बीच में हम कंपेयर करते हैं. लेकिन 2 से अगर ज़ायद कुछ हो जाए, मोर देन 2, इफ़ देयर आर मोर देन 2 थिंग्स, इफ़ देयर आर मोर देन 2 पर्सन्स, वी शैल यूज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. जब भी 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर हो जाएगा, कोई चीज़ हो जाएगा या पर्सन्स हो जाएगा, तो वहाँ पर हम लोग सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर है, 5 नंबर्स है, इसलिए यहाँ पर जो है सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हम यूज करेंगे. तो 9 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर एंड 0 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. एक और एग्जांपल देखिए. यू ऑलरेडी नो दिस ट्रायंगल. आई थिंक यू आर learning geometry in the class and you are already familiar with this triangle. This triangle is called the right angled triangle. Okay, so here there are 3 sides, AB, BC and AC. Okay, side AC is called hypotenuse. Side AC is called hypotenuse. Now my question is, which is the biggest side? Which is the triangle? ठीक है. ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में which is the biggest side? Of course the answer will be AC. Okay, that is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the biggest side in a right angled triangle. यहाँ भी देखिए, यहाँ भी 3 साइड्स है. यहाँ कंपैरिजन कितने साइड्स के बीच में हुआ है? 3 साइड्स के बीच में, माने मोर देन 2 होने ही से सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का इस्तेमाल आ जाता है. तो यहाँ पर AC को कंपेयर किया गया है AB और BC, इसलिए AC इज द बिगेस्ट साइड इन ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. यहाँ भी बिगेस्ट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग EST टू द एडजेक्टिव बिग, विच इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री, एंड इस कॉम्पैरेटिव डिग्री इज बिगर. तो ये था जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. अब हम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़े में हम लोग अब सुपरलेटिव डिग्री को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, और इसके लिए हम लोग चलते हैं कंप्यूटर पर. वहाँ पर स्लाइड्स के जरिए हम लोग देखेंगे और समझेंगे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री क्या होता है. नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू सम एक्सरसाइजेस on the use of superlative degree. I am giving you certain blanks. You have to fill in the blanks, choosing the appropriate form of degree of adjective. The degree of the adjectives are given within the brackets. From there you have to choose and fill in the blanks. Now look at the globe. Okay? Here you can see the continents of the earth: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Now the first question is, Asia is the continent on the earth, large, larger, largest. You have to fill in the blanks of the appropriate form of degree. Look at the different sizes of the continents and then fill the blanks, whether it will be large, larger, largest. Now the second question is, the continent of the earth is Australia. You have to fill in here the right form of adjective. Just look at the map and give the answer. I think it will not be difficult for you. Question number 3. After Asia, Africa is bracket within bracket big, bigger, biggest continent of the earth. Now look at the solar system on the right side. Here are planets of the earth revolving around the central sun, and each planet takes certain number of days or years to complete one revolution around the sun. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Number 1, Mercury is dash planet to the sun, near, nearer, nearest. You look at the position of the Mercury, where it lies, and accordingly you give answer. Okay? Pluto is dash planet from the sun, far, farther, farthest. Again, look at the position of Pluto. Where is Pluto? Neptune, Pluto. Sorry, there is no Pluto in the solar system. You replace the word Pluto by Neptune. You replace Pluto by the word Neptune. Okay? Question number 3. Mercury is dash hot, hotter, hottest of all planets of the sun. Coldest and hottest, it depends upon the location of the planet, either near to the sun or far from the sun. Question number 4. Jupiter is dash big, bigger, biggest planet of the sun. Look at the size of the Jupiter and compare it with other planets, and then you answer. Question number 5. Name the planet which is closest to the earth. First look at where the earth lies in the solar system. Here is the earth. and which planet is closest? Closest means nearest. Question number 6. Mercury is a smallest planet of the solar system. Again, look at the size of Mercury and compare it with other planets and give the answer. Neptune. Here is the Neptune. Neptune takes most years to go around the sun. Now compare the years or time of different planets to complete one revolution of the earth. Question number 8. Mercury takes the least days to revolve around the sun. Mercury takes, and look at the number of years Neptune takes, and then you give answer. Now I am coming to the answer exercises done earlier. Here the answer will be Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Look, Asia, it is very big in size. Here it is South America, North America, Africa. It is very big in size. So Asia is the largest continent on the earth. The smallest continent of the earth is Australia. Smallest. Remember, you are using superlative degree when you compare one thing with many things, more than two things. Okay? When we say the Australia is the smallest, we compare it with more than two continents. Here are more than two continents on the earth. Number 3, after Asia, Africa is the biggest continent of the earth. After Asia, look, Africa is the biggest continent of the earth. So this is the answer to the questions. I hope your answer will match with mine. Now coming to the solar system, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Look, Mercury is the first planet from the sun is Mercury. So it is the nearest planet to the sun. Always use article D with the superlative degree. Number 2, Pluto is the farthest, here you will write Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune. It is the last planet of the solar system away from the sun. So it is farthest from the sun. Mercury is the hottest of all the planets of the sun. Mercury. Because Mercury lies very close to the sun, so it receives maximum quantity of heat, making it the hottest planet. Number 4, Jupiter is the biggest planet of the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the sun. Question number 5, name the planet which is closest to the earth. Of course, Mars. Mars is closest to the earth. Look, here there is no D before closest. Why? Because article D or an is used for noun. Okay? Here is no noun. So here will be no D. Question number 6. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Look at the size of Mercury. It is very small in size. So it is the smallest. Now, the smallest takes the use of the because the smallest is followed by planet. Noun यहाँ पर planet आया है. अब क्वेश्चन अब देखिए आंसर 7 का. Neptune takes the most years to go around the sun. Sorry, years are repeated. 1 years B. It takes the most years. Much is the positive degree, many is comparative degree, most is the superlative degree. Much, many, most. Most is used for both quantity and quality. Here most is used in the sense of quantity because years are countable nouns, so it refers to the quantity. Mercury takes the least days to revolve around the sun. Mercury, it takes 88 days in comparison to all the other planets. So this is the minimum number of days. So here it will be the least, little, less, least. Okay, Mercury takes the least days to revolve around the sun. Now let's go to the another exercise. Fill in the blanks with the right form of adjectives given within the brackets. First, January is dash month of the year. You have to fill in there cold or colder or coldest, the right one. Number 2, the giraffe's neck is the longest neck. Number 3, the elephant has the widest ears. हाथी का कान आप लोग जरूर देखे होंगे, सोचिए क्या होगा, वाइड होगा, वाइडर होगा या वाइडेस्ट होगा. जिराफ का भी आप लोग करते हैं, सोचिए लॉन्ग होगा, लॉन्गर होगा, लॉन्गेस्ट होगा. नंबर चीता इज द fastest running animal. Sorry, question marks are at the end of the sentence. It should be removed. Question 5, the snail moves with the speed. Again. 6, the rose is the beautiful flower. Again, here comes is the beautiful flower. You have to choose much, more, most. The mango is the sweetest fruit. Plums are the sourest fruit. You have to choose the right form of adjectives. Akbar was the emperor. Hitler is notorious as the bad, worst and cruelest person in history. In the blanks, I am just coming to the answer. Now let's check the answer. January is the coldest month of the year. The giraffe's neck is the longest neck. The elephant has the widest ears. The cheetah is the fastest running animal. The snail moves with the slowest speed. The rose is the most beautiful flower. Rose is the most beautiful flower. The mango is the sweetest fruit. Plums are the sourest fruits. Akbar was the best Mughal emperor. Best is the superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. Hitler is notorious as the worst and the cruelest person in history. Worst is the superlative degree of adjective bad, which is in positive degree. Comparative degree is worse. Bad, worse, worst. Here is the table given of 3 boys, Shadab, Imran, Ejaz, with respect to their height, weight and age. Now these are the 5 questions which you have to answer. You will get the clue to the answer from the table. Now first question is, who is the tallest boy? Look at the heights of all these 3 boys and give the answer. Question number 2, who weighs the most? Look at the column of weight. Question number 3. Who weighs the least? Again, look at the column of weight. Question number 4. Who is the youngest boy? Look at the column of age. And the last question, who is the oldest boy? Think of the answer. So, I am telling you the answer of all these 5 questions, and you match your answers with mine and see whether you have written or given the correct answers or not. Who is the tallest boy? Ejaz is the tallest boy. Who weighs the most? Shadab weighs the most. Most is the superlative degree of adjective much. Comparative is more. Much, more, most. Who weighs the least? Ejaz weighs the least. Least is the superlative degree of adjective little. Little, less, least. Who is the youngest boy? Ejaz is the youngest boy. Who is the oldest boy? Shadab is the oldest boy. So these are the answers to the questions. तो ये था आज का मेरा लेसन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री पर. बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेस हमने आपको दिए हैं, आपने खुद एक्सरसाइजेस को किया भी. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको सुपरलेटिव डिग्री समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.